Who is called the father of biodiversity? Edward Osborne Wilson. He is called as the father of biodiversity. He is an American biologist, also called as the father of sociobiology.
First university in India is answer University of Calcutta. It is established in the year 1857. Who estimated national income in India first? Answer Dadabhai Nauroji. He was also known as the Grand Old Man of India. He is known as the father of Indian economics.
Which forests are called the lungs of our planet? The answer is Amazon forest. It is actually the world's largest rainforest and it's part of South America. So, lungs of our planet is Amazon forest.
Who represented India in the second Roundtable Conference? Answer Sarojini Naidu. Second Roundtable Conference held in 1931, and this was the only conference which was attended by Gandhiji. Next, deficiency of iron causes which disease? Answer anemia. It is a condition where lack of iron in the body leads to decreased production of RBC, that is red blood cells.
Pichavaram mangroves is located in which state? Answer is Tamil Nadu. It is the second largest mangrove forest in the world.
Kalahari Desert is situated in which country? Answer South Africa. It is generally a semi-arid desert. It is the sixth largest desert by area in the world.
What type of forests are known as evergreen forest? Answer is tropical rainforest. They appear green throughout the year and that is the main reason why it is called as evergreen forest.
Gidda is a popular dance of which state in India? Gidda is a popular dance of women in Punjab.
Largest ocean in the world? Answer Pacific Ocean. It covers 30% of the Earth's surface. It is also the deepest ocean in the world. Chemical name of common salt? Answer sodium chloride, NaCl. That's its chemical formula. It is an ionic compound. It is mainly used for cooking. Ramsar Convention entered into force in India on which date? Answer 1st February 1982. Ramsar Convention, and in that word the Ramsar, it is a place in Iran where the Convention on Wetlands was first signed in 1971. Currently, India has 26 Ramsar sites. Bone deformities occur due to excessive intake of which element? Answer is fluorine. Due to a high fluorine concentration in the body, the bone is hardened and thus less elastic, less flexible, resulting in an increased frequency of fractures. ELISA test used to diagnose? Answer AIDS antibodies or HIV antibodies. Shakyamuni is another name of Buddha. It is also known as Gautama Buddha or Siddhartha Gautama. Trachoma affects which organ? Trachoma, a highly contagious disease, affects which organ? Answer is eye, human eye. Trachoma is a contagious disease caused by bacteria. Next question. Which protein occurs abundantly in egg? Which protein is present abundantly in egg? Answer is albumin. Eggs are a good source of protein and albumin is the protein occurs abundantly in egg. How many number of pairs of spinal nerves in human body? Number of pairs of spinal nerves. Answer is 31. In the human body, there are 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Where is humerus bone located in our body? Humerus is the long bone in the upper arm and it is located between the elbow joint and the shoulder. Sphygmomanometer is used for measuring what? Sphygmomanometer. It is an instrument used for measuring blood pressure. Human blood pressure ranges 80 to 120 mm per Hg.
International Day for Biodiversity is observed on May 22nd since 2000. Before that, December 29th was observed as the International Day for Biodiversity.
Which compound is called laughing gas? Answer is nitrous oxide, N2O. Nitrous oxide at room temperature, it is a colorless, non-flammable gas with a slight metallic scent and taste. Purity of gold ornaments is measured in carats. Pure gold is how many carats? Answer is 24. Pure gold is 24 carats.
Which national park is famous for Asiatic lions? Answer Gir. Gir National Park is located in Gujarat.
Where is National Institute of Homeopathy located? It is located at Kolkata. Mirror used by ENT specialist. ENT specialist, ear, nose and throat specialist, use concave mirror. Concave mirror provide magnified images. Purest form of carbon. Answer is diamond. Carbon atoms in diamond are more tightly bound, so it is more difficult for impurities to get into the diamond lattice. So purest form of carbon is diamond.